Hey guys, happy Friday. I hope that you are all doing well and that your families are safe and sound somewhere close by. I hope you made it through the first week of online, or let's call it extended flexible learning. I hope you made it well. I hope that you have had a chance to go through the assignments, and I encourage you to do the assignments thoroughly. Try not to miss questions that are on the worksheets and to answer things thoroughly. For example, when they say describe why a value is important to you, it's important that you tell me, I have this value. I'll give an example. Honesty is a value that I find very important. And the reason is because I find that honesty is the root of trust. And if you can't believe when you're talking to someone that they're telling the truth, it's really hard to react to what they are saying if you have that question, right? So I just want to make sure that you know we've had the values worksheet, right? And the reflection, which we're calling a journal. We had the bias test and the reflection, the bias journal. And today you are supposed to watch The Danger of a Single Story and the video about being a child of an immigrant, and then do the stereotype journal or self-reflection. Today I'm going to be taking attendance for the week at 3 o'clock, and in order to be counted present, you must have submitted some of your work on Schoology. If you are having trouble on Schoology, I really encourage you to try again. And also send me an email if you're like, hey, Miss Kelly, I've done this, I can't submit it. Or if you want to send me an email with a screenshot or a picture of the assignment that you've completed if you're not seeing it in your Schoology, that would be perfect. I hope you have a good weekend. And I want you to know that I am available for anyone via WebEx. Just send me an email and we can set up a meeting and talk about any of the assignments and how I can help you best to be successful in this extended flexible learning environment. Okay, be well, and I will see you on Monday morning. Thanks.